Hi, I'm Tim. I've been a tour guide here at the Culinary Institute of America for over 2.5 years. And one of the things I've always wanted to do, but I never get a chance to, is show people the storeroom that we have right here. This storeroom is an absolutely amazing place to culinarians everywhere because we go through not hundreds, but thousands of different products every single day, going out to all of our 41 kitchens and bake shops and our restaurants that we have here on campus. As you can imagine, there's so many different things coming in and out, and so many people have to work together to put all of this together for us every single day. Let me show you something. So out of everything in here, there's two things I want to point out. Right behind me, there's all this butter. Now, to put it in perspective, here at the Culinary Institute of America, we use over 95,000 pounds of butter in a single year. And right here is just a small portion of eggs. Over 1 million eggs are used here at the Culinary Institute of America every single year. So at home, you probably most of the time use all-purpose flour. But here at the Culinary Institute of America, we use way more than that. We have cornmeal, whole wheat flour, cake flour, durum flour, semolina, buckwheat flour. Altogether, 37 different types of flour are used here. Combine it all, 250,000 pounds of flour get used every single year. So I guess you could say that here at the CIA, we use a few different spices. And at home, you think that you have pasta in the cabinet? Well, we've got a lot of pasta. And over here, we have a variety of different types of olive oils and oils. We actually use 4,500 gallons of olive oil every year. Right here is where we keep all of our blues and unrinded cheeses. And it already looks like there's a lot of cheese. You know what? I'm actually gonna check out some of the cheeses we got going on in here. Right here behind me is where we keep all the other cheeses. Now we use 150 different types of cheese here at the Culinary Institute of America, and we use about 50,000 pounds of cheese every single year. So right here we have a lot more of different types of fresh herbs. Some of my favorites: basil, chervil, oregano. A lot of things that sometimes people don't see every single day. How often do you see fresh oregano? Leeks are absolutely phenomenal for a lot of different purposes, but they actually require a lot of cleaning. We actually use 12,500 heads of broccoli every single year. That's a lot of broccoli. And they say we don't eat our vegetables. Right here, we have our broccoli rabe, and this is an absolutely great product, but you gotta be careful, because if you don't cook it right, people aren't gonna like it. Got a lot going on. Lettuce, cabbage from all different families, different types, and carrots. We go through a lot of carrots, absolutely. Do you know what these are? These aren't really big string beans. Actually, these are fava beans, and they're a great product to use. They require a lot of work though. They actually require 2 cleanings. You have to peel them out and then blanch the beans inside to take them out of their outer shell. But if you've gone through all the work, they're an absolutely delicious product to use. This is something interesting. These are banana leaves, and we actually use these in our Cuisines of the Americas class. So here at the CIA, we like to use as much Hudson Valley local produce and products as we can. In the fall season, we like to use a lot of apples from the area. Here we have Honeycrisp apples. Over here we have some Macintosh, Empire, Golden Delicious, just a couple of the type of apples that we use, all straight from the Hudson Valley. Everybody, well, almost everybody loves chocolate, and we are no different here at the CIA. We use 32 different types of chocolate, over 32,000 pounds a year, and well, this 11-pound bar of chocolate right here, I dare you to find a graham cracker big enough to make us some more with this one. Can you believe that we use 210,000 pounds of potatoes every year? Or that we use 152,000 pounds of onions every year? It's more than just potatoes and onions at the storeroom here at the CIA. Everything from straw mushrooms to lotus root and brine, pickled chilies, canned lychees, and everything in between, Now you can see why I think that the storeroom here is an absolutely amazing place.